Alright, see what else we got. Something long and skinny, real light. So this could be, who knows, chain guard? No, too small, too light. Probably linkage of some type. Shifter, brake, who knows. I don't buy fender trim. It's too light for fender struts, so who knows. A lot of junk in there. Alright. Big box for a little part. Yeah, I think that's why it was in there. Shift linkage, there you go. Looks new. Pretty close. It's been mounted. Looks nice. Looks too good to be original, so it's probably repop. But nice quality. It's CAD plated. So this is probably restoration stuff. So this is a shift linkage probably for a 45 flathead motor. It's got the J hook over here, which I don't particularly like. I like the one that was a clevis. So this is the more user. You can see where the mark is there on where it was going into the arm. So nice looking part though. Precision fit right here. Rattle, rattle, rattle. I don't know why they put chrome onto it, but they did. So these take a shoulder bolt in here for the shifter. See that's shouldered. So when you tighten it up, it doesn't get tight on here. Of course, they put a stupid lock washer on there, which makes it tight. But as long as you got the shift lever in there, you should be fine. So this is for a hand shift lever, in case you didn't understand what kind of lever we got on this thing. And this just goes through the transmission in the back, so looks nice. This is probably, definitely 40 and up, maybe 39, I'm not sure. I'd say 40. They changed the tranny 41, but I think the shift linkage was the same. So I'd guess 40. Who knows? Something like that. I'll put down in the description what it really is, but definitely 41. And like I said, during the war for the military bike is when they had the clevis, and then they went back to the stupid cheap one like this. So your 40 style ones had a good one on it. This is the one they reproduce. They don't reproduce the other one very much. I've seen them, but they're a lot rarer. It's a good part. And this here is a generator strap for a 32E generator. Same application probably, 45 or a big twin, one or two. Not sure exactly which one it is, the only difference is the length. So the overall length is slightly different between the two bikes, and I think the flathead has a longer one. The overhead is shorter. Flathead being UL, big twin, and 45, small twin. Got the correct oval head screw. Oval head means it's oval shaped on top. Flathead would be flat across the top. It's a flush mounted design, obviously. So it goes like that, so it'll go in there like that. That goes in the case right here in front of the generator. It'll be right in this area here. On the, if this is a 45 motor, there's a hole right here on your case where the generator saddle is. We don't have any old motors sitting here right now to look at. So like I said, the only difference in these things is the overall length is slightly different. And this is the shims that go underneath the generator that you adjust your height of your generator. So there you go.